Under the terms of the warrant, Knoxville and the dogs and their condition has been improved, as well as for some charges of animal cruelty. There's a lot at stake that could be accomplished.